Hi, my name is Olivia Roemer, and I'm with Plumb. Today I'm going to show you how Sage 300 Construction and Real Estate handles change orders. Let's get started. Right now I'm showing you the Sage 300 Construction and Real Estate dashboard. This is an example of a project management dashboard. It shows information like contract price, cash flow in and out, billings to date, original, current, and pending gross profit. It also has various types of reports like RFI logs, change request logs, billing information, and the like. Now I'm going to show you how Sage 300 Construction and Real Estate handles the change order process. I'm going to navigate to Project Management, Contract Control, and you'll see three options available: change requests, change orders, and commitment change orders. The change order process in Sage 300 Construction and Real Estate starts with the change request. As you can see here, I'm in the change request screen. I can see the job, the change request number, a brief description of what the change request is for, the date of the change request, if it's in regards to any source documents and what those documents are, and whether or not it's going to have an impact to my schedule. I also have an extensive area to put a large amount of scope. On the Price and Cost Estimate tab, I can put information like the price that I'm charging my customer. I can even add additional markup. As you can see here, I'm adding 5% for profit and 5% for overhead on top of the $1,500 price tag. I can also look at how this is going to affect my budget. This particular change request is going to increase my budget by $950. I can also see if any vendors are affected by this change request. In this example, Morrison Concrete is going to do the work for me, and they're charging $950. In one screen, I can affect the price to my customer, the cost to my budget, or any change orders that need to be issued to subcontractors or material suppliers. You can also see here that I can decide when I want to update my job budget. This is useful, especially when you've completed work on a change order that has not yet been approved. Therefore, your budget can be adjusted so it reflects the proper amount of costs. Now I'm going to attach that change request to a change order. To do so, I'm going to go into Project Management, Contract Control, Change Orders. As you can see here, I have change order number 3 issued. I've already got 2 change requests added to this change order. I am now going to select the change request that we just created. As you can see here, it has affected the total price of the change order below. It lists each of the change requests and the price associated with each of these change requests. I also have the ability to change the status, whether it's potential, submitted, a verbal okay, approved, denied, or voided. This particular change order has been approved. I also have the ability to decide when I want this transaction to update my accounting software and when I want it to revise the contract amount. Here's an example of the change order. As you can see, it has my 3 change requests, a description and price of each, and down below you can see a summary of how this change order is going to affect my contract amount. There is also a place for individuals to sign. This change order form can be changed and modified to look however you desire. Now let's take a look at some of the standard reporting within Sage 300 Construction and Real Estate. Again, I'm going to go to Project Management, Reports, and I'm going to take a look at the change request log. I want to see the one in detail. As you can see, this report shows me some great information. I can see the various change requests I have issued on this project, the date, description, potential impact on my schedule, any source documents related to these change requests, the reason for these changes, the amount that these change requests are going to increase my contract, the status of these change requests, the date that they were approved, and what change order these change requests were attached to. It also shows me a summary of my contract amount with pending and approved change orders. And that was an overview of how Sage 300 Construction and Real Estate handles the change order process. If you would like to learn how Sage 300 Construction and Real Estate can be utilized in your organization, go to our website, thinkplumb.com. Thank you for watching.